Hey everyone, this is Marlene and AJ from Savory Thoughts. So today we are making macaroni au gratin or macaroni gratiné or
macaroni and cheese.
Macaroni and cheese, baked macaroni and cheese. As you prepare for the holidays, this is one of the staples in a Haitian home. Hope you enjoy it. Let's get cooking.
Start chopping our ingredients. Onions, green peppers, red peppers.
Starting off with seasoning our water. Now that the water is boiling, we're adding a little bit of salt and pepper. And afterwards, we're going to add in the chopped vegetables. Give it a quick stir so we can make sure everything is well incorporated.
And then we'll add in our macaroni. You give it a quick stir. Make sure that it's not sticking. It's looking good so far. Water evaporated when it's boiling. So our macaroni is fully cooked.
Alright, so with the macaroni still cooking, we're going to add in our milk.
So in Haitian macaroni, we use rigatoni, not the regular elbow macaroni that we use here in the States.
So now we're going to add in our Haitian seasoning. We're going to slowly add in our cheese. A combination of cheddar cheese as well as Parmesan cheese. When we add in the cheese, this is actually helping us make the roux. Okay, it will thicken the sauce that we need for the macaroni to bake.
Nice, thick.
Have the oven heating up at 375 degrees. So we are going to transfer this and start baking.
Now let's transfer this
into the baking dish.
Just nice goodness to the baking dish.
We'll do it a layer at a time.
Hear the crunchiness? Oh.
Wasn't that just delicious? And thank you so much for watching our video.
And please subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to hit the bell so you can be notified
of all of our upcoming videos.
Thanks again. Bon appetit.